We are very much fortunate, ma'am, kasi it took us nga months for the preparation kasi amo temet for the accreditation adult requirements nga before da ipasa tayo. And yet, we were able to comply with all the requirements for PhilHealth. Iso nga, idi last week, that was Friday, may da virtual assessment da, ma'am, with the regional office, PhilHealth regional office, tapos at the representative da from Lawag, ang imi nang validate DJ need nga requirements ket nakita damit amin nga we were able to comply. So iuray mi lang DJ certification nga talaga nga ibagada nga approved DJ consulta package accreditation and although DJ certification mamaminsan dantong ited which will be siguro March to kan nga ited da. So nga ready mi dagiti gamit min for the amutemeten nga the electronic medical record, it is one of the requirement. Iso nga dapat talaga the DJ proper referral system tayon. Ag-outsource kam ngamin, ma'am, ti referral system which is we identified Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital kasi kompleto da iti gamit ken DJ laboratory procedure. So nga isudat nga pili mi nga pag-referan and yet ti kunami which is the concern ti PhilHealth staff which is ape nagadayo DJ referral hospital yo. Ngem ti ko nami we have vehicles nga transport vehicle nga pangi-transferan tayo DJ pasyente. Da kami nukat mangi tulod kanyadan nga tapnon handa marigatan especially those who are not capable nga the transportation na. So thanks God, thanks to City Health Office ken deti panang ipang pangulo ni Dr. Rodrigo Katkatan nga iso talagat mangipupos kami for the accreditation.